You never know what kind of surprises a construction site might hold. It's a shame they're usually off limits. But today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show how common construction challenges are tackled with smart solutions. Let's get started. Ready for a breakthrough in concrete reinforcement? Meet Micro Rebar 525 by Helix Steel. It's a smarter, faster way to strengthen concrete with built-in durability. These tiny, screw-shaped steel fibers mix directly into the concrete, helping it resist cracks before they even begin. Each fiber is just 25 millimeters long and made from high-carbon steel with a protective zinc coating. With over 11,000 fibers per pound, it adds serious reinforcement to walls, slabs, and foundations. Lab tests show up to 300% more fatigue resistance and 33% better flexural strength compared to traditional rebar. It also speeds up construction, saving up to a day per 10,000 square feet. Certified for structural use, it's a reliable choice. And with 50% recycled steel, it's better for the environment too. The Mason's Enviro AAC system is a modern building solution made from autoclaved, aerated concrete panels. These panels are lightweight but strong, making them easier to install than traditional concrete. They offer excellent insulation, with an R value of 0.416 and sound reduction up to 33 decibels. Fire safety is also a key feature, with a resistance rating of 1.5 hours. Enviro AAC panels are used for cladding, flooring, and intertenancy walls in both homes and commercial buildings. The 50mm panels are perfect for exterior cladding, while the 75mm panels create solid, comfortable flooring. Designed with sustainability in mind, they are made from recycled materials and produce no harmful emissions. DORCE Prefabricated Building is a Turkish leader in modular construction, known for its fast and flexible building solutions. Each module is factory-built and comes fully equipped with plumbing, wiring, flooring, and ventilation already in place. Once on site, the modules are simply stacked and connected, cutting construction time by up to 50%. Whether it's a multi-story hotel, hospital, or housing complex, DORCE can complete it in just a few months. Their buildings are made to handle tough environments, from extreme weather to seismic zones. That's why they're trusted by oil companies, the military, and emergency response teams. With over 40 years of global experience, DORCE brings reliability to every corner of the world. Let's examine the SAM kit, a practical solution for installing adjustable slats on outdoor structures like pergolas, screens, and shutters. Designed in France, this system turns ordinary builds into smart, bioclimatic spaces that control light, air, and privacy. Each kit includes paired mechanisms that rotate slats manually or with a motor, depending on your setup. It works with both 18mm and 20mm slats, whether you're building horizontally or vertically. The parts are made from UV-treated fiberglass reinforced plastic that handles extreme weather from -20 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius. It's also eco-friendly, built from 100% recyclable materials. Installation is simple. Just screw in the system and insert your slats. With optional add-ons like motors or rain gutters, SAM kits offer custom comfort for any outdoor space. Next up is Dinsel structural walling, a smart solution from Australia that combines formwork and structure in one system. Made from permanent polymer panels, it stays in place after the concrete is poured, creating a strong and waterproof wall. Thanks to its snap-lock joints and lightweight design, 2 people can install up to 25 square meters in just an hour. It's ideal for everything from basements to facades and works well in homes, commercial spaces, and infrastructure projects. The system is certified for fire resistance, waterproofing, and sound control by top organizations. It's also engineered to handle seismic events up to magnitude 9, making it a safe choice in earthquake zones. With flexible design options and fast setup, it helps save both time and money. Plus, it offers long-term durability by protecting the concrete from the elements. SmartBark is the world's first siding made from synthetic bark. It looks incredibly lifelike, giving architects and designers exciting new aesthetic options. You can make a house appear finished in rare wood without breaking the bank or facing legal restrictions. Plus, SmartBark panels come in large sizes, which builders will definitely appreciate. Fewer panels mean faster installation. For example, the Slim Pro Big Dan version measures 61 by 61 centimeters. All SmartBark options are also low maintenance and insect resistant, helping to save even more on long-term costs. There's no need for expensive chemical treatments. On top of that, each panel comes with an exclusive 25-year warranty. The Lightcast Robust Upper Floor System is a precast concrete solution designed for upper floors in both homes and commercial buildings. It uses pre-stressed concrete beams with concrete infill blocks to create a solid, long-lasting structure. This system replaces traditional timber joists and hollow core planks, offering better fire resistance, sound insulation, and strength. It's especially useful for meeting UK Building Regulation Part E, which focuses on reducing sound between dwellings. The system is ideal for apartments, multi-story homes, and office spaces. Its design makes installation faster and more cost-effective. Once in place, it also creates a safe and stable platform for further construction. Framehouse specializes in prefabricated wooden homes, handling every stage from design to assembly. Over 2,000 completed projects in their portfolio. So why not use the same trusted technology to build their own office? That's exactly how this 4-story, 4,656 square meter wooden masterpiece came to life. It includes both production facilities and office spaces, all crafted with the same precision they offer clients. Impressively, even the elevator shaft was built entirely out of wood. The structure stands 14.5 meters tall, and it looks stunning. The real question is, how long do you think it will last? Structured Build and Lift Systems is a New Zealand company changing how roofs are built. Their patented method lets crews assemble the full roof structure safely at ground level. Once complete, powerful hydraulic lifts raise the entire roof into position, no scaffolding required. This approach cuts down on risks from working at heights and improves build accuracy. In fact, teams can lift a roof covering up to 300 square meters in just one day. It's faster, safer, and more efficient than traditional methods. The system works for both residential and commercial buildings. By rethinking construction, they're helping create a safer and more sustainable industry. The ProBrace System is a smart solution for bracing concrete formwork, designed by New Zealand builder Aaron George. It replaces traditional pegging and framing, which can be slow and labor-heavy. With ProBrace, setup is much faster, and workers can align the formwork more accurately using built-in adjustment features. The system reduces the number of people needed on site and makes the job easier and safer. Each component is reusable, saving both money and materials on future projects. To use it, you simply attach the brace to the formwork, adjust it into place, and remove it once the concrete sets. It's clean, simple, and efficient. ProBrace helps modern builders save time without sacrificing quality. DokaTruss is a high-performance table formwork system built for speed, safety, and precision in large-scale slab construction. A single crane lift can place a table covering up to 200 square meters, making it perfect for fast-paced projects. Tables can be stretched up to 30 meters long and 6 meters wide using just 2 truss sections. With leg spacing of up to 12 feet, there's more room underneath and less need for props, which helps save time and labor. The design also supports drop beams and column gaps, so the whole slab can be formed in one step. It fits standard heights up to 4 meters and works with Doka's Staxo 100 for taller buildings. Special rollers and jacks allow quick repositioning across the site. That's why DokaTruss is a smart choice for commercial and high-rise construction. Alfred Miller Contracting specializes in precast reinforced concrete piles, pile caps, and similar structural elements primarily used in bridge and highway construction. The company focuses on in-house manufacturing, meaning components arrive at the site fully prepared for installation. This saves construction crews both time and effort. In some cases, just 3 workers are enough to put the delivered elements in place. Alfred Miller Contracting also promises exceptional precision, something that's often difficult to achieve with on-site concrete pouring. The alternative choice for durable and stylish paving solutions is AZEK Pavers, now known as Aspire by Brava. These pavers are made from up to 95% recycled materials like old tires and plastic containers, making them a smart, eco-friendly option. A patented grid system allows quick and easy installation, cutting down time by nearly 40% compared to traditional pavers. They're lightweight, which makes them perfect for rooftops, balconies, patios, and driveways. Some versions are permeable, helping manage stormwater and reduce runoff. AZEK pavers come in multiple sizes and colors and can be arranged in patterns like herringbone or basket weave. They resist stains, scratches, and impact, so they're built to last. Choosing them means better design and a cleaner planet. Give your old concrete a fresh new look with the Like New Concrete Restoration Kit. This easy-to-use system is perfect for driveways, patios, and pool decks that need a clean upgrade. Unlike surface coatings, Like New penetrates deep into the concrete, letting it breathe and preventing peeling or blistering. Each kit includes everything you need: a 5-gallon bucket, straining net, sponge, and a 2-part mix that covers over 400 square feet. The application is simple. Just mix and spray, making it a great choice for DIYers. It dries fast, usually within 30 minutes, and brings back the concrete's natural appearance. With a cost of less than $1 per square foot, it's a budget-friendly option. Durable, quick, and effective, that's Like New. Missing innovations in your feed? Then check out TRIQBRIQ, a smart timber construction system using micro-modular wooden blocks called bricks. These blocks are made from damaged or leftover wood, giving new life to materials that would otherwise be wasted. Assembling them is fast and easy thanks to precision robotics and simple interlocking dowels, no screws or glue needed. Builders can complete a 500 square meter floor in just 2 days, making it much faster than traditional methods. Even better, the blocks can be taken apart and reused, which cuts down on construction waste. TRIQBRIQ also helps store CO2, supporting climate goals. It's a green, flexible solution for homes, offices, and more. Thanks for joining us on this tour of amazing construction technologies that are changing the way we build. Stay tuned for more innovations that are shaping the future of construction. See you soon!